Your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, that tremendous heat wave that we dealt with kind of last week has shifted westward a little bit. In fact, the overnight low in Tulsa, Oklahoma last night was 88. That's it. And it's right on the edge of that big heat wave. We've got a storm cluster kind of developing up here in Wisconsin, a few little thunder showers down here near St. Louis, and everything's kind of pivoting around the big heat wave. You see these kind of moving south and then eventually kind of off to the southwest, and these monsoonal storms are moving up and over the heat wave, which is pretty much right here. You notice all the excessive heat warnings, the heat advisories. Now, time to time this week, mainly 2 days, this heat wave is going to try to bulge a little bit eastward, but for the most part, I think we may hold a lot of those hundreds at bay at least a little bit. And the problem is we're not going to have a lot of moisture, not a lot of humidity this week, so it'll feel better, first of all, but also we're going to miss out on the rain. We need the humidity to get some rain in here. So any rainfall is going to be pretty scattered to isolated at any point during the upcoming week. In the meantime, temperature is hot today. It will be very hot tomorrow, but at least there'll be a few isolated storms tomorrow as the heat wave kind of starts to be pushed back west a little bit by midweek. But again, we'll be back up into the upper 90s to around 100 as the heat wave bulges back eastward by the end of the week. And we may get a few storms when that happens, so at least there are a few little chances of storms. But again, it's not going to be a drought buster, and coverage is generally going to be 20 to 30%. So speaking of the heat wave, here it comes, pushing east a little bit tomorrow. So 99 Lafayette, 100 Attica, 101 Perrysville, but 93 at Rochester, 93 at Denver, 95 Camden. Can't rule out a couple isolated storms, but it's not going to be that humid tomorrow. Wednesday, we push the heat wave back west a little bit once again. A dry day, 93 Lafayette, 92 Monticello, 90 Rochester, 95 Crawfordsville, very low humidity, pretty high fire danger. We'll broaden out a little bit and look at a bigger view of the weather pattern. Again, the big heat wave is here. There's your 99 tomorrow. We push it west a little bit Wednesday, 93, very dry, north to northeast wind. Heat wave will try to bulge back a little bit Thursday with 94. It comes in a little bit Friday ahead of this little weak front, which may bring a few storms. And then we're kind of going to teeter on the edge of the heat wave right into the weekend with highs well into the 90s. But it just doesn't look humid enough to get any widespread rainfall around here, even though we're going to be on the edge of the heat. So you see 20% coverage tomorrow for a few storms, 30% Friday, 30% Sunday, Monday, and temperatures generally in the 90s. The hottest days Tuesday and Friday, 99 respectively, Gina.
We'll certainly hope for some rain, Chad.
Yeah.
All right, Chad, thanks.